Tianjin Rocketis Technology Company is a professional house plant company with 20 years of industry expertise, dedicated to providing various types, high-quality and cost-effective fastening solutions to global customers. Our factory covers total area of 12,000 square meters, with well-organized zones, including raw material storage, production workshop, assembly workshop, packaging workshop, laboratory, warehouse, and office areas for efficient workflow. Daily output, 80,000 units, supported by 80 skilled workers for stable and high-volume production. 5-member R&D team dedicated to product innovation and process optimization. -1-member quality control team ensuring strict compliance with standards. We have professional design team providing OEM and ODM service. About package, both neutral box and customized box are supported. Looking forward to your inquiry. The free samples are available for you.